Hey there, how's it going? We're going to take a quick look at issuing loaner devices to those students when necessary. Should be a pretty short and quick video. So first step is just to find the ticket in reference that you need to. You can do this either by the ticket number or the student, depending on what information you know better. And then you pull up the ticket. Okay, so the first piece here is once the ticket is up on the left hand, or kind of in the middle left, you should see a green button that says Start Ticket. You're going to hit Start Ticket. After you start the ticket, you'll then have the option to confirm that the issue is correct. So in this case, issue is correct. And then on the right-hand side, you should see now an area that says Spare Asset, and then you can click Issue Spare. That's going to pull up your cart at whatever school that you're at. And then from here, you can either click. So if you know that this first one's available, go ahead and select it. Okay, you can also keep your cursor in that search by asset tag and scan the barcode of the one you grabbed. So if you want to grab the spare out of the cart with the big loaner sticker on it, scan that barcode, it'll select that one as well. So whichever way you want to take that process. Once you have one selected, you'll see the gold check mark. You hit Issue Spare. It might take a second. And then the student now has a spare associated with them. So you can see over here again on the spare asset, it lets us know that 93810 is assigned to the particular student. Now, once they're returning the loaner, you're going to go back into the same ticket. Okay, so pretend it's been a couple days, that one comes back. You'll simply go into the ticket. So in this case, 7886 on the right-hand side in that spare asset area, click Return Spare. And then confirm that that's the barcode that they're handing you, and then simply click the button that says Return Spare. And now that has been unassigned to the student. You know this because right here, Performed Actions, Issue to Spare, it'll give the date, Return to Spare, it'll give the date. Also over here in the spare asset space, it will no longer show that asset assigned. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.